Afternoon, everybody. Tori with Soper Firearms Training here with you. So I'm getting ready to do the active self-protection drill of the month, which is a condensed version of the 9-dot torture. It's going to be 10 rounds versus 50. And the dots are set up just a little bit different. I'll show you all that here in just a minute, but I thought while I'm out here, I haven't done a whole lot of training lately. I've been kind of busy with some other stuff. So I thought, you know what, let's do a couple of build drills real quick, just to kind of see where I'm at as far as my speed, my accuracy, and all that goes. So I'm going to do a couple of those, and then when I get done with that, we'll get this target up, and I'll explain to you what we're going to do, and then we'll shoot it and see how it goes. Build drill, for those that don't know, if you don't know, 7 yards. 6 rounds from the draw into the A zone as fast as you can. So let's get it going. That's a 3.94 on that one. It's all alpha. The one's right on the line, but we're going to go. Let's do it one more time. .63. With one Charlie, my splits were 1.56 draw to first shot, 0.43, 0.73, 0.35, 0.32, 0.24. Let's do it one more time, and then we'll go do the drill of the month. .29 on that one. And I dropped one, so we're 5 out of 6. Let's see what my splits were. 1.49, 0.48, 0.36, 0.36, 0.34, 0.26. All right, so I'm not super happy with the times, but I've only dropped one shot, so I'll be okay with that. Like I said, I need to start working on my training just a little bit more intently. So I'm going to pause it. We'll get the next drill set up, the drill of the month, and I'll explain it to you. Okay, so here is the active self-protection drill of the month. Like I said, it's a shortened version of the 9-dot torture. We're going to start at I'm going to start at 5 yards, start from the holster. So for dot number 1, I'm going to draw and fire 2 shots at dot 1. The next string is I'm going to draw and fire 1 shot at dot 2. I'm going to do that twice. Then I'm going to draw and fire 1 shot at dot 3, transition, and 1 shot at dot 4. And then we're going to draw and fire 1 shot at dot 5 with strong hand only. Dot 6 is going to be 1 shot at dot 6. Dot 7 and 8 is going to be a draw, fire 1, do a reload, 1 at 8. So let's get this going. Spiders everywhere. Yuck. All right, keep that close so that I can read it. No time limit on these, so it's on you to just make sure you get your hits. So 2 shots on dot 1 from 5 yards. Okay, and then it's draw, fire one shot at dot 2 twice. And now we're going to draw one at 3, one at 4. Okay. Strong hand only. Dot 5. Weak hand only, dot 6. Okay, draw one at 7, reload one at 8. Well, that did not go very well. So I missed the weak hand only and I missed on the reload. So we are 8 out of 10 on that one. You know what? Let's run it again. But let's go 7 yards. 1. Okay, draw one at 2, repeat. Ooh, I blew that one. All right, draw one on 3, one on 4. Oh, I blew that one. So we're 2 down. Strong hand only to 5. Weak support hand only to 6. Draw one on 7, reload one on 8. I think I missed that one. Yep, I did. So we're 3 down on that one. So that's a 7. And I've got enough ammo to run it again. But I think, yeah, I got enough time. But let's kick it back to, let's put up a fresh target. Okay, we're ready again. Let's go 8 yards this time and see what it looks like at 8 yards. 1, 2 on 1. Eight yards, draw 1 on 2. 1 on 3, transition to 4. Oh, I missed both of those. Strong hand only, .5. Strong hand only, .6. Draw. Reload. 8. I do believe I missed it. So we're down 1, 2, 3, down 4 at 8 yards. So looks like my drone's gonna crash if I don't get it out of the wind here. So we'll get it down maybe. So anyway, that's the drill of the month. Wow, I better get that thing down. So hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Please like and subscribe, and we'll get some more content coming to you. Have a good night. Bye.